Hello students, today we are going to verify truth table of all basic gates. This is the IC of AND gate. The number of IC is 7408. Here quad AND gate is written, which means this IC contains 4 AND gate as 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see this is the symbol of AND gate and this is the truth table of AND gate. So for truth table we have A, B as input and here output I will consider as Y. So the output is equals to A into B for AND gate. Now we will be verifying using this IC on universal breadboard system. We are going to consider only one gate, so I will be considering 4, 5, 6 number, where my 4 number will be as input A, 5 number will be as input B and 6 number will be as output Y. The 7 number I will ground and the 14th number pin I will put VCC, that is going to be plus 5 volt. Now one thing to consider is that the pin diagram on the IC here as you can see it is a IC. So the pin is going to be considered one from the notch here shown the same way as it is shown in this diagram. From this notch we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then turn it to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 for all the ICs. Here as you can see this is the system which we are going to use. Here these are the logic switches in which we are going to take any two. So I have taken these two knobs. Now here we will be able to here logic switches, at logic switches we will be taking the input and here logic indicators we will be taking as output. So I have taken this first pin as my output. Here plus 5 volt is given to the 14th number of pin and ground is given to the 7th number of pin, as you can see. Now this output is given to the pin number 6 and I have taken input as pin number 4 and 5. Now we will verify all the gates. Here for AND gate, when I will put my switch to 0, 0, the output should be 0. So here my switch, if the switch is upward that means 0 and the switch is downward that means here it means 1. So here at this two switches are 0, 0, then I am getting output as 0. Now I am taking A as 0 and B as 1. So as you can see the output is still 0 as in the table. Now I am taking one as 0 and the another one as 1 and again my output is 0. Now taking both the inputs as 1, my output is 1. Here the truth table for AND gate is verified. This is the pin diagram for OR gate. The IC number is 7432, as you can see this is the IC for OR gate. Here again the quad OR gate is written, that means we have got 4 OR gates, same way 1 and 2 as input and 3 as output. This is the truth table for OR gate. In OR gate we know that output is equals to A plus B. So the way we have verified the AND gate, in the similar manner we are going to verify the OR gate on the universal breadboard system. Now this is the IC for XOR gate. So it is 7486 and the IC, as you can see, again everything is going to be similar to the other gates that we have seen. Now the truth table is different, that is A and B is the input and output is Y. So for XOR gate Y is equals to A bar B plus AB bar. This is what is going to be verified by yourself. This is the IC for the NOT gate. Here hex inverter is written, which means we are having 6 NOT gates which can be verified at a time. Here only as you can see from this symbol, one input is given and the output is y equal to A bar, that is inverted output. So if you will give 0 as input we will get 1 as output and vice versa. So here the same way 7 is the ground pin and 14 is the supply pin, or any one we can use. So if we are considering 1 as input A, so we will get A bar as output in our second number pin. Now this is the IC for NAND gate. Here again the 4 quad means 4 gates are available in one IC. So the number for this IC is 7400 and the equation is y equal to a into b the whole bar for the NAND gate. Now here one thing is to be considered for the NOR gate, that the gate connected in the other ICs and this IC is different. As you can see, in the other IC we used to have 1 and 2 as input and 3 as output, but in the NOR gate we have 3 and 2 as input and 1 as output for all the 4 quads. So for NOR gate we have y equal to a plus b the whole bar. So in this IC we just need to remember how to connect, how to give the inputs, that is on which number of pin we need to give the input and on which number of pin we are supposed to get the output. Let's check for this IC. So for NOR gate, as you know, as 0 0 as input we are supposed to get 1 as output. Here I have taken 1 number of pin as output and 2 and 3 number of pin as input. The 14th number pin is our VCC and the 7th number of pin is ground. So I am giving 0 0 and you can see we are getting output as 1. Now I will off one switch, that is 0 1, and I am getting output as 0. Now for 1 and 0 I am getting output as 0. For 1 1 as my input I am getting output as 0. So this is how we have verified all the gates